And welcome to Istanbul. This vibrant city, straddling two continents, is a feast for the senses. We're about to embark on a whirlwind tour of Istanbul's top 5 experiences, those must-dos that will leave you enchanted and wanting more. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or just looking to explore, Istanbul has something for everyone. So grab your walking shoes, your sense of adventure, and let's dive right in. Our first stop is none other than the iconic Hagia Sophia. Now picture this, you step through these massive bronze doors and you're greeted by a space so grand, so awe-inspiring that it takes your breath away. Sunlight streams through the ancient dome, illuminating centuries of history etched into its walls. For nearly 1,000 years, the Hagia Sophia served as a Greek Orthodox cathedral, then a mosque and now a museum, a testament to the city's rich, layered past. As you wander through its cavernous halls, gazing at the intricate mosaics and feeling the weight of history all around you, you'll understand why the Hagia Sophia is considered one of the world's architectural marvels. Take your time here. Let the grandeur of the space wash over you. Imagine the emperors and sultans who once walked these very floors. Feel the echoes of Byzantine chants and Islamic prayers mingling in the air. The Hagia Sophia isn't just a building, it's a living, breathing chronicle of civilizations, and trust me, it's an experience you won't soon forget. Next, we're diving into the heart of Istanbul's bustling commerce, the Grand Bazaar. Imagine a labyrinthine network of over 4,000 shops, a riot of colors, scents and sounds. This is where Istanbul comes alive, where the ancient art of bargaining thrives. As you navigate the maze-like alleys, you'll be met by vendors hawking everything from aromatic spices and intricately woven carpets to gleaming gold jewelry and colorful ceramics. Don't be afraid to engage, to haggle good-naturedly, and to embrace the lively chaos of it all. Stop for a cup of Turkish tea with a shopkeeper. Listen to the rhythmic tapping of a coppersmith's hammer and breathe in the intoxicating aromas of exotic spices. The Grand Bazaar isn't just a shopping destination, it's a cultural immersion, a sensory explosion that captures the soul of Istanbul. Now let's escape the hustle and bustle for a while and embark on a cruise along the legendary Bosphorus Strait. As our boat glides through the shimmering waters, you'll witness the city's magical fusion of east and west unfold before your eyes. On one shore, majestic Ottoman palaces and ancient fortresses stand as proud reminders of a glorious past, while on the other, modern skyscrapers and vibrant neighborhoods paint a picture of a city in perpetual motion. Seagulls will soar overhead as you capture postcard-perfect views of iconic landmarks like the majestic Bosphorus Bridge connecting Europe and Asia, the opulent Dolmabahce Palace, and the imposing Rumeli Fortress. The gentle breeze, the sun on your face, and the rhythmic lapping of the waves create an ambience of pure serenity. This is Istanbul from a whole new perspective, a city where history, culture, and natural beauty converge in perfect harmony. Get ready to step back in time as we enter the opulent world of the Ottoman Empire at Topkapi Palace. For centuries, this sprawling palace complex served as the seat of power for mighty sultans, and today it stands as a magnificent museum, offering a glimpse into their lavish lifestyle. As you explore its courtyards adorned with intricate tile work, peek into the lavish chambers where sultans once held court, and marvel at the dazzling collection of jewels and treasures in the imperial treasury. You'll be transported back to the days of Ottoman grandeur. And don't miss the breathtaking views of the Golden Horn and the Bosphorus from the palace terraces, a sultan's perspective on this captivating city. No trip to Istanbul is complete without indulging in its rich culinary tapestry. From the humble kebab to the elaborate mezes, Turkish cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors, aromas, and textures. Be sure to savor the melt-in-your-mouth goodness of a freshly baked simit, a sesame-covered bread ring, or indulge in a plate of mouth-watering Iskender kebab. For a truly authentic experience, venture into a local lokanta and sample a variety of mezes, small plates designed for sharing. And of course, no meal in Istanbul is complete without a cup of strong Turkish tea or a cup of rich Turkish coffee. Remember to leave room for dessert. The sweet, sticky baklava is a must-try. Thanks for joining us on this whirlwind tour of Istanbul's top attractions. From the historical wonders of the Hagia Sophia to the sensory overload of the Grand Bazaar, the serene beauty of a Bosphorus cruise, the Ottoman grandeur of Topkapi Palace, and the culinary delights that await at every corner, Istanbul is a city that will captivate your heart and leave you longing to return. So, start planning your Istanbul adventure today. You won't regret it. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel guides and tips. Happy travel.